Yeah. So last batch, when I tried to do sharing, that time I got a problem. Then I'm trying to search for issues. Then it is showing a different type of solutions, different type of solutions. So solution wise, how to troubleshoot. So each one by one like that. I showed to that batch. Okay. So, but now we'll try first sharing how to do it. If you got a problem, then only we will search for how to solve the problem. Okay. So before going to that one, so how to do this practical, that one we will see. Okay. Is paint is better. Usually, for this type of practicals, like when you use the two machines to do practical kind of stuff, so compulsory better is Word document. Okay, so Word, MS Word is better because you can put all the machines, drawing and all things you can able to do it. But last time I started, that is not again. It is given a negative, and it's not working properly. So guys, look at here. Sharing folders. Sharing simply to understand. For example, this is my PC1. Okay, and this is my PC2. PC1 as a folder, for example, folder name is data1. PC2 want to access this folder through the network. So important thing is both should be connected to network. A network means physically and logically both should be in the same network. Understand? Both should be in a same network. Okay, so that is important. Both should be connected, and generally both are connected to same switch. Okay, so do not think this is a bus topology, guys. Okay, so it is a network symbolic representation of PC1 and PC2 are connected to a network. Okay, so if you have a confusion in that one, so then I will put it in a switch manner. Okay, but we are in a virtual physical environments, so obviously I can't show you any physical switch here or virtual switches here. Okay, so both should be connected to same switch. Last time someone commented on one of my video, so that is like a DHCP, sir, so how you will configure a communication and all. So you didn't understand because the previously is not in the classroom. That's the point. Okay, so this is my virtual machine, this is my physical machine. Okay, so my physical machine, I'm using Wi-Fi to connect my switch. Actually my switch and router both are same now here because both are physically accessible kind of stuff. Okay, in virtual machine also we have a NIC which is connected to here. Okay, so of course this is my router, it is like that. So whatever it is, two machines, one machine share this data. Okay, so he will share it like anyone can able to access kind of stuff, and from here we access it, we access that. So through the network you can access data in the data1 folder. That is the practical. So first of all you have to do it, first list out few things of PC1. First one is IP address. Find the IP address of PC1. Second one is name of the username. Important is username. Okay, username and password. So PC1, here my virtual machine username is user1. Okay, username is I put a user1. Password is admin@123. First of all, we have to note down the notebook, like draw something like a one box, another box, PC1, PC2. So what is the IP address of this one? What is the IP address of this one? And username and password. Same goes here also same thing. PC2 IP address. Next, username not required because of we are accessing data from PC1. Okay, so your username password is not mandatory. If you want, you can able to list out. But one important thing is PC1 must have a password. PC1 must have a password. PC2 don't require. Okay, this is important. Second, before you proceed to do these things, few things you have to check it. So the troubleshooting things you have to check it. So what are the troubleshooting, guys? I want to check. May I communicate? Can I communication is there between a PC1 to PC2 to PC1, from PC2 to PC1? Is the communication is there or not? How to check it? From my PC2, can able to communicate PC1 or not? How to check it? How to check IP address?
CMD IP config.
Very good. So it is 192.168.2.237. So I have to note down this 192.168.2.237. That is my PC1 IP address. What is my IP address? This is my CMD, my CMD IP config. So my IP address is this one, 192.168.2.224. I'm in my PC2. This is my PC2. Okay. I want to check, can I able to communicate with this PC1 or not? How to check? What are the testing commands? Network test. Are you able to communicate to your destination PC? Very good. Ping, guys, ping. Remember, got it? Pinging. Request timed out. Request timed out. Request timed out. It means you are unable to ping. So communication is not there. But one thing is sure, both are in a same network. How you know both PCs are in the same logical network? This is entirely networking class. Right?
Network IDs.
Very good. Very good. Network ID. Correct answer. Okay. So this is a class C IP address. This is the class C IP address. So first three portions are network portions. The network ID is 192.168.2.0, 192.168.2.0. They both are having same network ID. First three portions must be same. So then both are in the same network. But I am getting request timed out. There is a few possibilities. One is either my physical machine is down or not connected, means both are somewhere, both machines are either are not in the same network, same logical network, or it can be something like a network wise it is disconnected, shut down. My remote machine 2.237 is running, right? So this machine is running. Currently, this machine is running, and as well as both are in the same logical network. Both are in the same logical network now. So why I'm getting a request timed out. So I want to check it from my PC1 to PC2. From PC1 to PC2, whether I'm communicating or not. How to check it? Ping 192.168.2.224. So that is my PC2 IP address. Try. Yes, we can able to communicate. Then new volume. What is the volume here? It is. Look at here. No. What is the volume? PC1 can able to communicate. PC2. PC2 is trying to communicate, but it is getting a request timed out. So one-way communication is there, but two-way communication is not happening. So you are unable to communicate it to your remote PC. What to do? What are the possibilities are there? If both are not connected, then definitely both cannot able to communicate either this to that or PC1 to PC2 or PC2 to PC1. Okay. Understand the issue. Solution is next, but do you understand the issue, guys? PC1 can able to communicate PC2. Okay, that is good. But PC2 doing pinging, but it is not able to communicate. So what I'm trying to do is here, I'll put a /t from my PC2, from my physical machine to PC1. Okay, I'm doing a continuous ping. /t represent continuous ping. You can use -t also. So I want to see, yeah, request timed out only is coming. It will continuously come. Here it is. After 4, it is stopped. 4 queries only. But here it is not 4. It is unlimited queries will happen. Now the issue is here. There is a possibility of your firewall is blocking. So one is your firewall. Second one is if you have any antivirus, network antivirus are there, network protection kind of antivirus if you are using. So that is also will block your access. That is also block your access. So firewall is protecting from unauthorized request to your machine. So obviously you are unable to communicate. So what to do? Generally, if you are in a public network, unprotected networks, you should not disable the firewall. You should not disable the firewall. But here it is. In this scenario, both machines are in a private network. Both the machines are in my private network only. So I'm no need of questioning like that. So is any other network attacks will happen or not like that? We don't require. So what I'm going to do is firewall.cpl to open directly firewall. So I went to firewall.cpl. So there is a two ways you can do it. One way is you can disable the firewall, or you can yellow ping request. Okay, the ping is belongs to icmp protocol. Protocol name ping protocol belongs to icmp protocol, and the request is echo request. Request name is echo request. and protocol name is icmp protocol. Okay, so if you know how to do that one, so you can do it. How to add certain things, like you can go to advanced settings and you can do it. Otherwise, turn Windows firewall on or off. Turn Windows firewall on or off. Click here. So I'm disabling both the firewalls currently. Just for our practical purpose only, I'm disabling my firewalls. So I disabled both the firewalls. Then I'm going to my PC. Now it is getting reply from the remote machine. So this is that's why I put a continuous pinging instead of putting. So whether it is working this solution or not. This solution is working. So control C to cancel it. Okay. Now it is working. Guys, understand issue and how to solve it. How to
Sir, two
troubleshoot.
type, two sides to ping chala, sir.
Again, I'll tell you. So from PC1 to PC2, pinging is good. Already we have done the pinging from PC1 to PC like this. From PC1 to PC2, pinging is good. One side pinging is good. Okay. From other side, like PC2 to PC1, it is showing a request timed out. When you get a request timed out, there is a most of the possibility is firewall is blocking. One PC firewall is blocking. My PC, not my virtual machine is not blocking it. Sorry, my physical machine. This machine not blocking anything. Okay, it is accepting ping request. Accepting ping request. But PC1 is not accepting ping request. If in case you both are having same problem, means PC1 not communicated to PC2, PC2 not communicating to PC1. In that cases, you have to check, like always request timed out is coming. Not a destination host not reachable kind of stuff. If you are getting, okay. Okay, so if both the sides you are getting a request timed out, so it is a possibility that both firewalls are blocking each other. Okay, so you have to check that one also. So you remember OS layers, right? You remember OS layers. So we'll tell OS layers wise. Important is physical connection. Both are connected to a switch. Physical does not mean physical machines. Okay, or physical switches. Even though it is a virtual switches or bridge device, it is switches, whatever it is, both are connected or not. One way or other way, both are connected or not. So first one is physical. Next one is logical. Next one is logical, means IP address. In OS layer, what is the bottom layer? Physical layer.
Physical layer.
Data link layer.
Transport layer.
Network layer. Network layer deals with the IP addresses. Logically, both are same network or not. Then only it will communicate. Okay. Next, very good. Transport layer. Transport layer. Session layer. Very good.
Presentation layer.
Presentation layer. Application layer. Okay. So it's a layer-based troubleshooting, guys. Networking troubleshooting means either bottom to top or top to bottom. Depends upon your situation. You have to troubleshoot it. I disabled this firewall kind of stuff. Okay, so that is either it is a mostly it is transport layer. Thing is belongs to transport layer. For example, I open a website. All websites are opening, but particular website is not opening. This website is particularly not opening. Only particular website is not opening. It means it is belongs to either application, means web server is down. Possible web server is down. That particular website related web server is down, or mail server is down, like that. Or maybe some encryption related problem, HTTPS problem is there. So that is belongs to presentation layer. You're downloading a data, half of the data is downloaded, almost 90% downloaded, and now internet is disconnected and reconnected. Session layer problem. Okay, session layer, there is a very big story is also there. What is the story? It is, to understand session layer. So one day I have to come to that day, like officially I received a joining letter to Savantis. Okay, in a 2018. Okay, April. Okay, so officially a letter means initially I worked as a part-time kind of stuff, like a 10 days working kind of stuff only, but finally I received a joining letter, so full-time kind of stuff. So I have to go to Pune. Okay, so then I have to do reservation, so only Tatkal reservation. 10 o'clock Tatkal will be open. Okay, we have a Wi-Fi, very good Wi-Fi, very fast Wi-Fi internet is also there in a home. Okay, so using my mobile phone, I connected to Wi-Fi. I start booking. I done everything. I came to last payment. That time, power cut. What happened? Power cut. Power cut means Wi-Fi down. Wi-Fi is down. So in your mobile phone, once you are disconnected from Wi-Fi, what will happen?
Gateway permission will be closed.
Yeah, you are thinking on that much. Simply, you have a mobile phone, you are connected to Wi-Fi, you went outside, your Wi-Fi is not there now.
It
So
will
what will
not
happen?
reload again.
Trapped in data, sir.
Very good, very good. That's it. So it is switched to 4G data, right? So mine is also connected to 4G data. Yes, now your answer it is. So gateway kind of stuff means path is changed. Initially, I connected with this path. Now there is a different path. Yeah, you said correct only, but I ask a different question. Okay.
Okay.
So path is changed. The gate is changed. So I'm communicating with one side, and suddenly it is other side. When it is switches, session is affected. Then my payment is failed. Okay. Again, I'm doing payment. It's not happening. Again, I have to log out. Again, log in with the 4G, and then I'm doing it. So next, almost like for a few years, like 2-3 years, when I want to do any IRCTC reservation at 10 o'clock, first of all, I turn off the Wi-Fi. I use 4G only because the mobile battery will support. Power is we can't judge. No, exactly 10 o'clock they will power off. So that is a power off session. Okay. So which session, which way session, this will be maintaining a session. If this session is not working, obviously the very important communication things like payments, gateways, like these are all works with the only one single session mode only. When you log in, session will start, and you do complete it till your exit. The session will be there only. You have to do within the session only. Session timeouts also there. Session timeouts also remote server can able to fix it. For example, you are filling a passport or you are logging with IRCTC websites. So what they will do, they will give a 3 minutes of session. Within 3 minutes, what you want to do it, do it. if you just you done it for a 2 minutes and you went for outside and you're searching for some bank card and all, meanwhile session will be over and it will be logged out automatically. And again new session, again it will be created. So that is the power of session. Okay, so if you got it, that's good. If you don't get it, so try to understand. Okay, so that's the meaning is why I'm telling this one is to troubleshoot in the network. The OSI layers are very useful. No one will use a OSI layer for communicating. We use TCP/IP. We don't use OSI. But what is the use of OSI is mainly for understanding of network, understanding of topologies, understanding of what we can say protocol suites, and mainly for us it is troubleshooting. Okay, so this is a troubleshooting method we have to follow when two systems are not communicating each other, or first of all you have to test whether you are communicating from PC1 side. So use the black one. Okay, so ping, okay, to 192.168.2.224 to PC2. Next, from PC2 side, from PC2 ping to PC1, ping PC1 IP address. Okay, how to do this thing? So first of all you have to note down in your book and then you can follow the instructions. Okay, so check it. Are you getting a reply from kind of stuff? Means it is working. Reply from your remote PC. So that is you are able to communicate. If you are getting a request timed out, most possibly it is firewall. Destination host not reachable. It means mostly it is remote machine is down. Okay, so here it is a ping response. Reply from destination IP address. It means good or working. Good or communicating. Okay, if in case request timed out. So what is a request timed out kind of stuff? Is the most possible
Slow ping.
firewall blocking. One is firewall blocking, and also check connections and IP address. That is also possible because you have a default gateway. Default gateway will give you request timed out even though the machine is not there. Destination host not reachable. This is another error. You'll get it. So first one is good. Second, both the things. So check your firewall and disable firewall or add things. Destination host not reachable. It means remote PC means destination PC. Remote PC also. Remote PC or destination PC is down or IP address wrong. Check IP address wrong. Not in the network. Okay, both physically and logically. Not in the network, both physically as well as logically or logically. Both are possible. Okay, so compulsory your system remote machine is running or not. Both are having a same IP address. Both are logical address, and physically they are connecting. So that is you have to verify. Okay. So this is how to test to the network. So actually I have to tell a share folders, but before going to sharing, so compulsory you have to do the testing. So I'm mixing up. So don't worry. Guys, understand how to test the network, whether both systems are communicating each other or not. Okay, so from my PC1, okay, from my VirtualBOX to physical machine, I can able to communicate.
After pinging, what is communication, sir? I think data sharing or what is communicating?
Ping is a test. Ping is actually a test kind of stuff. So when you do pinging, means it will send a some sample packet. So you can see 32 bytes. It's a packet size. It send a packet. Okay, and how ping works? It is like this: ICMP protocol, echo request. Okay, the then meaning is like this. I will take some this color. Okay, so when you ping it from PC1 to PC2, what will happen? It send a packet, a sample packet, a ping packet, ICMP packet, ICMP protocol. Some it will send a packet with the echo request. What is echo? Repeat, repeat kind of stuff, right? Maybe empty hall. If you speak something, your voice will be repeated, right? So that is called echo. Same thing like it is send a echo request. Okay, it send a echo request to the destination. So what this PC2 will do it receive the packet. It receive the packet and resend the packet to PC1. That is a echo response. Okay, so what it will do? You are sending to me something and I'm sending back to you. Same thing only. I'm just you give me and I'm giving to you. So like that, it's a two-way communication is there or not. That is important. So that's why you are getting a reply from. You'll get a reply from. Okay, not a sending. You're receiving a thing. Okay, so when you are receiving means it is you reached and you get back. You reached and as well as you are getting back the same packet. So that is ping works like that. Ping use ICMP protocol, echo request and echo mechanism. Okay, even though lot of people put a ping as a abbreviation is there, packet internet grouper, packet internet grouper, ping. And some people will ask question like, what is ping? It said packet internet grouper. They said wrong. If you say, what is ping? Sir, it is to test the communication between two machines like that. You give an answer. They said wrong. Give me abbreviation. So no one knows what is the correct answer for that one. Of course, ping has a abbreviation, means packet internet grouper. So you can Google it. You can find it. Ping, packet internet grouper. Second, ping is for testing network connection between your host to destination. Okay, your source to destination, you want to test whether you are able to communicate or not. It means the communication path is clear. So physically it is connected, IP address is correct, the communication thing is correct. Okay, is any blockages occur, any issues are there, so you will understand by ping. General, very basic troubleshooting thing. Okay, actually, as I know, the word ping came from ping pong. Ping pong ball, table tennis ball is then a ping pong ball. Like ping is sending, pong means receiving. That's it is ping pong. ping request, pong response. But don't tell that kind of story to anyone. So people think you are telling some bakwa story. Okay. So, but as I know, that is correct answer is ping pong. The ping word came from ping pong. Ping don't have any abbreviations. Like a computer don't have any abbreviation. Okay. Computer abbreviation, anybody knows? Not that kind of stuff. So I've seen the people are teaching, hardware and networking classes that too, like they learn from their trainer giving that kind of information. So what they will do? So they put a COMPUTER like that. Okay. So there is no abbreviation for that. Computer came from compute. The compute means calculations. Okay, computer word came from compute. Compute means calculations. Okay, so the device which do calculation called a computer. And people ask, that device which do calculation is calculator. Can I call a calculator as a computer? So that kind of people also there. So ping. So somewhere you can find that ping. There's a ping abbreviation, ping. Somewhere it will be there, packet internet grouper. There you can try. Packet internet or inter-network grouper. Okay, so it's full of stories. Actual part is is a sharing part. So don't worry. So this is a basic test. Find out how to make sure both systems are communicating each other. That is very important. Important is both machines must be communicate each other. That is the first important. The second one is if you got any issues, then also we can try to solve it. Like you can go back to your control panel. Okay, in the control panel, you can see, go to large icons, find out where is network and sharing center. Why it is not displaying anything? Yeah, this is completely wrong. What to do? So control panel. I think it is newly installed now, so that is why it is very slow because of the background updates are there. No problem. I will show in my physical machine. It is open now. We don't need it. Okay, so find out where is this network and sharing center. Okay. Okay, change advanced sharing settings. Change advanced sharing settings. Okay, so here current profile, file sharing kind of stuff is there now. So make sure turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing, turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing. Okay, and also you can try for a public profile also, turn on network discovery, turn on file sharing. You can go to all networks. In the on networks also you can go to turn on sharing, so anyone in the network can access read file kind of stuff. It is there. Okay, password protection sharing, turn on password protector sharing. It means your system must have a password, so then others can able to access your file. Turn off password protector sharing. If you don't have a password also, others can access. Okay, turn on password protector sharing. Okay, that's it. So turn on things, anything related to sharing, save changes. Save changes. That's it. So guys, this is the basic settings and troubleshooting. Understand of network sharing kind of stuff. I'm going to create a folder. Anywhere you can able to create either C drive, D drive kind of stuff. This is my data one folder. It is empty folder. So then I'm going to create some files inside. The file name is like any file name you put it, F1, I put a file name. So inside I will put a name like this is file1 F1 file and by user1 in PC1. Okay. So this is just a folder. Now how to share it? Guys, be carefully look at it. Okay. If you want, I will show you once. Then you have to tell me. Same thing only. Okay. Right click, go to properties. Guys, there is a certain options you can able to see sharing from here also there. Okay. So like this access sharing options, it will shows here, but don't go for it. Better is properties. Okay, then sharing, go to sharing, data one properties sharing, then go to advanced sharing, go to advanced sharing, share this folder, select share this folder. You want to change the share name, you can change it, and go to permissions. Everyone by default is there. We are in a work group. So in a work group, you can't share with a particular user or a group wise. So then we usually share to everyone, and also will give full control. Otherwise, you can able to read the file, but you cannot put anything inside a sharing. Okay. So we can read what is the content of this one, but you can't put any data. I given a full control means anyone can able to store the data inside. Apply. Okay. Apply. This is how many number of users at a time can able to access. By default, it is showing 20. If you want to change it, like only 5 users at a time can able to access the shared folder. So you can change it also, no problem. Click OK. Next one is go to security tab. Go to security tab. Guys, generally don't require a security tab, but sometimes when you're accessing, it blocks access. Security wise blocking will occurs. So for that one, go to security tab, edit, add. Okay, type everyone. So anybody can able to access. Everyone, check names, click OK. Then everyone, select everyone, give the full control. Apply. Okay. Then everything is done. So this is called a network path or a UNC path. Close. Observe this one, this slash important. Okay. Now I'm trying to access from my physical machine. This is in my virtual machine. I shared a data one, but I want to access from my physical machine. So how to access? Go to run, put a slash slash IP address of PC1, that is my VirtualBox PC, IP address like this, slash slash, this slash. And usually it will ask for a username and password. So what is the username of the virtual machine? That one, user1. Password is admin@123. Okay. So you are using VMware. So in that one, I use a student one. This here I am using user one. It got freezed and we'll wait. Yeah, it is working now. So this is the data one. See, this is the file one. This is the file content. If you want to create or you want to copy some data in it, also you can do it. So I want to copy some data from here to there like this. In data one, I copied from my physical machine to this particular folder. So you want to check it. So then go to your virtual machine. In data one, see these files are came. So this is a sharing. Understand? No one is speaking anything. So the first one, guys, I took a PC1, which is in my VirtualBox or VMware workstation one. Okay, so this is my VirtualBox machine. Okay, and IP address of the machine is 192.168.2.237. This is my IP address of this machine. Okay, and a username. Username is user1. I given username is user1. You have to list out to do it, guys. For your environment also, I can't give an example. Environment is same. Only earlier we work with a VMware workstation. Now VirtualBox. Only that's difference. You no need of installing any VirtualBox. Again, installation for this practical not required. You can use your VMware workstation virtual machine. You can use it. Okay. You're not required to do this thing. Again, installation in a VirtualBox is not required. Next, PC2 is my laptop. Okay, it's my laptop. My IP address is 192.168.2.224. So you don't require a username and password for the destination. So PC1 shares PC2 access. Important is PC1 shares PC2 access. Already I told the troubleshooting. If you want, again I will type that one also. Do troubleshooting in PC1. So ping 192.168.2.224. Okay, check whether you are getting reply from PC2 or not. Okay, so this is PC2 IP address. So what is the task here? It is ping PC2 from PC1. Next, in PC2, make sure both are communicating each other or not. Then only you have to do remaining things. So ping PC2, PC1 from PC2. Okay, so that is like ping 192.168.2.237. A capital P or small p, no problem, because we are using Windows. So once the problem is solved, then here it is. PC1 shares PC2 access. So again, in PC1, okay, so I created a folder, name is data1, and I put a file, okay. Next, on data1, put a right click, properties, okay, sharing tab or a share tab. Again, I will show you. Right click, it is taking time, you are not speaking. So sharing tab it is. So go to sharing tab, check, share this folder, okay, share this folder. Then go to properties, no, permissions, go to permissions. By default it is everyone, full control. Okay, kind of stuff. Okay, apply. Someone put a message. So which message it is? Nothing. Okay. Okay, permissions, you full control. Then go to security tab. Go to security tab. Edit. Then add everyone. Type everyone. Check names. Okay. And names. Click OK. Okay. Then select everyone. Full control. Just we don't require any blockage, so that's why we given a full control. Okay. Then of course click apply. Okay, kind of stuff. This is sharing is completed. At a PC1, sharing is completed. Now in PC2 means in my laptop. Okay, in my laptop, go to run. The run, put // these slashes. Okay, these slashes. Okay, // PC1 IP address. We don't have any naming kind of stuff is not there. So I'm giving like this. My PC1 IP address. Then automatically, if it is asking, okay, then if everything is good, then no problem. It will ask for a username and a password. Okay. So username is my PC2 username. Sorry, PC1 username is a user1. Okay. So check it like verify first and do it next. I'm talking in my current situation. Okay, then check data 1 is there or not. So there is a data 1.
Sir,
showing.
drive share చేసుకోవచ్చా sir?
Entire drive you can share it. By default it is already shared. By default it is already shared. You want to see? Yeah, you can't access it is saying, but it is a auto access. You have to give the permission to it. Entire drive also you can able to share it. But that is not good idea, but still we can able to do it. Okay. Now I'm going to share one more folder from here. New folder. Data 2. Again in data 2. I put a F2 file just for testing purpose only. It's not really required like F2 only. Can I give a S3? Anything you can give. This is a testing purpose only. This is F2 file. Okay, by user 1 from PC1. Okay, save it. Now guys, tell me guys, one more, this example and one more example is there. So for a sharing. Okay, so now tell me how to share it. There is little changes there, except that one entire process is same. This is data 2. I'm going to share it. Tell me step by step. Right click.
Properties.
Property.
Very good.
Sharing.
Sharing.
Advanced sharing.
Share this folder.
Here in this one, I don't want to share this name. I want to put a different name.
Yes.
Not this name. I put a different name. So what will happen? Okay, only this change. Remaining are same. So instead of data 2, I put a same. So permissions, full control. Everyone is already there. Okay. So apply. Okay. Next. Security.
Edit.
Add. Type everyone. Put names. So everyone, you can give full control, no problem. If you don't give also, no problem. Okay, apply OK. So then sharing is also done. We close. Okay. So
open physical
auto
machine.
access. Auto access from the by machine. /
IP address of virtual machine. VirtualBOX.
Very good. So it is open. Something is missing. Yeah, here it is. Share to contains F2. See, it is not showing data 2. It is showing share to. So what is the difference? So when I am sharing data 1, I didn't change the share name. I put a same data 1 only. So that's why it is data 1 only. But this time I change the share name. Okay. So this is the second process. Same only, no difference. Okay, here something is sharing tab. So there is a missing, it is advanced. Sharing. This is mixing. Same only, so that's no difference, but steps are little different. Okay, so same thing, create data to, I put a data to, and then I put a file to, advanced sharing, everything is same. Okay, but in a sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder. Here I change the share name. I change share name to share to. Okay, I change the share name to share to. All remaining are same only. Okay, so then you can see, okay, you can see data 1 and share 2 also. Okay, so open it and check it. So this is share 2. So one more sharing. Next one I will tell you another one. Okay, so this is we'll go to one more sharing. Okay, so again new folder, data 3 this time. Sharing is very important if you are working in any department. F3, open F3. Yeah, okay, so you must know how to access the sharing. Sharing is very easy, but accessing sharing is sometimes you will get a lot of errors. So that is you have to keep in mind. Anything. So what happened? So text is there or not? Yes, text is there. It is showing the different way. Okay, again, I want to share this one. Third type of sharing. Actually, two type of sharing only, but I split it into 3 parts. Tell me. Properties.
Properties. Then sharing.
Sharing.
Advanced sharing.
Share this folder.
Choose your name.
Okay.
Name.
If you want to change share name, no problem. But here small change is there. That is called a end of the name. Whatever the name it is, end of the name I put a $. End of the name I put a $. Okay. End of this share name I put a $. Other than that one, no change. We will see what will happen if I put a $. Okay. So any name you can put it, but end of the name is $. So remaining is give up full permissions, apply, okay, security, edit,
Add everyone.
very good, check names,
Check to full control.
full control, apply, okay. Then everything is done, close. Now, how to access? Again, same thing, right? Run, same name, refresh. Where is the share 3? Where is the share 3? So look at here, guys. This is / my virtualBOX machines PC1 IP address. Okay. Then share $. Share $3, right? So share name is share $3. Share $3. Click OK. See, it is the file it is showing. See, that's the file.
Direct.
Understand? if I go to one back step like this, see, it is not showing share 3, data 1, share 2, where is share 3? Not showing. It is like a hidden one. If you open it specifically, then only it will open. Means you shared a data. So anyone open with the IP address, so then you're able to see it, right? But you want to share a specific data, those people knows name of the sharing, they can able to access. The people knows name of the sharing, share name, those people know can able to access, right? Like this. So this is called a administrative share. This is called a administrative share. First two sharing are a regular shares only, but this is a administrative share. Again, so here it is also, I created a data 3. I said put a file 3, advanced sharing, share this folder. Again, share name. In the share name, I put a share name is share 3 $. So what are the name? End of the dollar. It is a administrative share. This is called a okay. So also you can call as a hidden share. Hidden share. It means if you know the share name, then only can able to access. To access it, like this, it will be there. Okay. Every time user is not required. First time user and password it will do it, but just I'm leaving like that on. So this is another way of sharing. Guys, next practical is network drive. Network drive. Look at here. Where is my picture? It is so much of clumsy, but I think yeah, it's okay to understand. You already understand. Okay, think like this. This is the data 1 folder. Now, when I want to access this folder, what to do? Go to run / IP address, open the folder and access, right? Understand? I want to access this folder, what to do? Every time I have to go to run. The kids are shouting there. / why it is small letters? Okay. Give the IP address 192.168.2.37. Okay. / data 1 or like this. You want to access. In the run, you have to put it every time you want to access the data from here in this one. So you have to go to this and open this one, put a data or access the data kind of stuff. That is little button, right? So in the network, there is a non-technical person also there. Non-IT person is there. You don't know IP address. Every time he's accessing kind of stuff is difficult for him, right? So that is difficult. Sometimes in huge networks like a 10, 20 computers, okay, or maybe 30 computers or 50 computers, they put a 1 or 2 computers and share the data. So everybody should store the data in the central PC only. 1 second, guys. I will close the windows also. somewhat better. Okay. So every time accessing folder is difficult. So and data is must be stored in the central only. So what to do? We have to map this one in your PC. Okay, as a C drive, D drive, how you access the data in the C drive, D drive, same like that you can able to access. Okay, just like here, go to this one. So you have a C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, like this. How you are accessing a drive, same like that you can able to access your shared folder. So you no need to reconnect every time you required, not required. When you log in, automatically it will be connected. But make sure remote machine must be available. Okay, IP address should not be changed. It's like that static IP is better option. Okay, so IP address should not be changed. Second one is better to give static IP for a main PC, central PC. Okay, username, password must be maintained, machine must be running. So this is the map network drives. So you can map into your system. Okay, map shared folder. Example, data 1 to PC2. Okay. So here we have to go to PC2 only. Second PC, open sharing. So go to run //192.168.2.237. Username, password common. Okay, so from here I will do it. So look at here. So this is my sharing. I'm opening just. Okay, data 1 share 2 is also there. Data 1 I want to connect it. Right click, map network drive. Map network drive. Click on a map network drive. You know, see the drive letters are reverse order. Normally for our hard disk it is C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive will come up. Here it is reverse order. Z, Y, X, like that. You can use any of the drive letter. So I'm leaving for a Z only. If you want to put a Y or X or W, you can put it anything, no problem. Okay, I'm giving for a Z only. And already folder path is there. And using different credentials, connect using different credentials, or reconnect at sign in option is there. Leave like that, no need to do anything, just finish. Okay, see it is this PC. Can you see C drive, D drive, H drive? This is Z drive. This is the data 1 data. You can easily put the data here and also access the data from there to here. The size of the thing is showing C drive size. Where the shared folder is there, that drives folder, that drive size it is showing. Right, that drive size it is showing. Okay. So this is the map network drive. So go to data 1, right click, map network. Right click, map network drive. So just no need to do anything, just finish. Then go to this PC. Find and Z drive. This is the mapping of network drive. This is a very important one of the important in the network in a kind of stuff. Okay. So these are the total about a sharing folders in a different ways to sharing folder with the different names, hidden wise, troubleshooting, and as well as mapping. The map network drive is also called as a network mount. Okay, network mount or shared folder mounting, network mounting, network drive mounting. Okay, different names are there. So when what are the name it is map network drive concept only. Okay, like it is like a NFS type, means network file system. Yeah, last one guys in this one. So sharing is completed, but from your PC, what are shared and location, means original location of shared folders. Okay, so what are shared? Okay, what folders are you are shared? What drives are you shared? Kind of stuff. Yeah, you asked one question, right? What is, can we access the drives or not? Like a like $C drive once again. User one. Yeah, I didn't give in a password. Accidentally, I click on a kind of stuff. You should not do that one. Luckily, it is open. No problem. Guys, when you do, don't select this. Remember my credential kind of stuff. Don't select it. If you give a wrong, also it will take wrong. Admin@123. Yeah, it is. We can't able to access. Deny is coming, but access is like that only. Okay, drive. C drive, D drive. D drives are very easy. C drive is a mainly protected drive, so it is not. From your PC, what are the things you shared and location of the shared folders. So this is what we want to find it, right? You shared it, but what files, where it is location? It is in the desktop, you know it, because we done a practical now. I shared something from my C drive or a D drive, maybe deep drives. Means there is a folder inside another folder. There is a 10 folders are there. One of the folder is shared. So you don't know original location. By access, you can able to access the data, but you don't know original location of the folder. So it is showing on desktop, it is very easy, but where is the location of that particular folder? So two ways we can able to know it. One is command way. In a CMD, you can type net space share. You know, earlier days of computers, the thing is humans are very slower than a computer. Now, humans are very faster. The computers are become lazy. Net share. Net is a very useful command, guys. So go to in CMD, press only put a net only, then you will get it. So yeah, here it is. C sharp. C dollar. This is a C drive. Share $3. Data 3. C users, user 1, desktop, data 3. And C data 1, location of that. And so this is the share name. This is the original location of the share. Share 2, users. You can also see the users, right? So that is a net share. Okay, and in a command wise also you can do mounting also possible, but I'm not showing anything now. So that's, I want to tell you one more point about a net. Okay, in a net accounts, net computer, net config, net users, net use, these kind of commands are there. So like a net user means it will display the user information, means what are the users in your PC. Okay, like this. See, user 1 is there, administrator, like that. Whether it is enabled or disabled. Net account, accounts. So you are a workstation. You are not a server, you are a workstation. And remaining is your password related information. So how much validity and all. Like this. So there is a lot of things we can useful for a net. Only net. So a lot of commands are there, but net. So command is net share. Command is net share. The first thing is what I said, cmd. The command is net share command. Okay, in GUI mode, guys, go to comp mgmt.msc. Comp mgmt.msc. Computer management console. It gives you a lot of different things. No need to specifically go to one place. Comp mgmt.msc. In that one, you can go to share kind of stuff. So where it is? The date is also different. Date and time is also different. Maybe I installed wrong or it is not syncing with my time. So compulsory check the time zone. Okay, if your date is showing wrongly, check the time zone first. Second one is update the time with the NTP. Guys, also go through once protocols and port numbers. What happened here? Comp mgmt.msc. I think it will open 2 times. No, yeah, I said no. It will open 2 times. Go to shared folder. Open shares. See, these are the sharing. These are all sharing information, share names, and this is the location. Okay, client connections. So client connection, currently how many users are accessing or connected? Client connections. Okay, sessions, open files. So complete details. Very important is how many folders are shared, means what are the things you shared from your PC and where it is located and how many clients are currently accessing kind of stuff. Okay, connected. If you don't want to share something, okay, for example, you don't want to share data to, you don't want to share data to. So what to do? Go to properties, go to sharing and advanced sharing. Unselect this option. Unselect this option. Click OK. OK. You can do it. I'm not doing anything. Just I'm telling you don't want to share. So then you have to unselect it, right? Where is this comp mgmt.msc? Yeah, here it is. Okay, so from here also you can do that one. So share to, I don't want to share it. So just I'm stop sharing. I'm stop sharing, or you can go to properties. All tasks. There are some other things are there. These are for permissions changing. Descriptions, folder location, descriptions, share names, maximum number of allowed, offline settings, and cache settings, permissions, security. Okay. that is properties. All tasks open or stop sharing or stop sharing. I'm going to stop sharing. No, I don't want to share it. Yes. Now I stop sharing from here. Okay. Next. Whether it is really unchecking kind of stuff is happened or not, we don't know. Something showing from there, but see, it is automatically unchecked. Automatically unchecked. I didn't done it. I done from there only. Also, we can have to test it, right? So I'm going to my my PC. See, it is data 1 is showing, share 2 is not showing because we stop sharing. Okay, so this is are the sharing related things. Anybody having any doubts or anything, please tell me. You can see. Here also you can find the sharing data. And also I told about a stop sharing. You can do mounting with a net also, but I'm not doing that one now. Guys, understand how to share. Only one class is happened today. Don't worry, I will show you how to install a Windows server also. Compulsory complete that server installation today. Tomorrow I will do remaining things.